Hello and welcome. As you can tell, today we're going to be doing a self-cut, and these here are some of the products I'll be using today. I found this 3-way mirror on Amazon. It was about 30 bucks. As you can see here, I'm in well need of a haircut. I'm looking real rough. So we're going to start here with the Andis T outliner. Starting by the temple, we're going to bald out the bottom half. Same with the back and the other side. Turned out pretty decent. I like it. Slapped on a number 3 guard, fully closed to give it that nice dark look. Gonna do this for the top of the head and the beard as well. As you can tell, for this next part we have no guard, fully open. We're gonna do about a ½ inch all the way around. If you look at the mirror, that's how it should look. And now we're gonna use a 1½ guard, fully open all the way around, about 1 inch high. Next up, we're gonna use a half guard, halfway open. Try to knock out that dark line just a little bit. Don't go too high. We now have the 1 guard fully open, and we're gonna go about 1 inch high, maybe lower depending on how you like it. Switch it to a number 2, halfway open. Then you're gonna wanna close it as you go to get that nice smooth look. We're going back to a no guard and trying to blend in that very bottom line. I started off fully open and then I close it completely for that nice clean look. Here I'm using the Babyliss FX3 electric razor to get that nice smooth bald fade. For the final touches, I'll be shaving off camera because I do not have a tripod to hold my camera up. But as you can see here, it turned out pretty well. Tell me what you guys think. One last thing, you cannot forget to clean your tools. Always keep them sanitized, oiled, and neat after every cut.